Hi guys, today I will show you how to use the Ceyear high-end Vector Network Analyzer to test a bandpass filter and an attenuator. This series of VNA covers up to 110 GHz using coaxial 1.0mm connectors. The current model covers up to 67 GHz. The 30 MHz IF bandwidth, 140 dB large dynamic range, and 21 functions make the cutting-edge VNA-based test accurate and efficient. It also can be configured as 2 or 4 ports. We use this 4-shot mechanical calibration kit to characterize the systematic errors of this VNA. This calibration guide can be followed to make the 2-port calibration step by step. After calibration, the duty of filter is inserted between port 1 and port 2. The center frequency is set to 1.75 GHz, and 4 traces are created to display the S parameters. The main parameters of the bandpass filter are all listed automatically on the screen, including the 3 dB bandwidth, center, quality factor, loss, and so on. We set the start frequency to 10 MHz and the stop frequency to 67 GHz. The 10 dB 2.4mm attenuator is put between port 1 and port 2. Now we can see the loss, VSWR, working frequency range on the screen. That's all for today's test. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel and check other test solutions. Bye.